Welcome to this Solid Edge podcast, bringing you quick and easy tips and tricks from the experts. Most CAM programs use boundaries to constrain an area to be milled. Boundaries are used to keep the cutting tool inside or outside the fenced area, but they can be troublesome if all of the elements are not connected to form a closed loop. And most boundary-based systems don't automatically update when underlying geometry changes. CAM Express hardly ever requires you to create a boundary. Instead, you can simply select a face to be machined and your toolpath will be automatically constrained. In this week's show, I'm joined again by Jim Wright to show you how.
In this tips and tricks video, we're going to demonstrate how you can use face milling to machine the top of a mold assembly without ever creating a single boundary. I'll start by choosing Create Operation, choose the face milling area operation type, set my program, tool, geometry, and method, choose OK. Next I'll choose a face to machine, specify cut area, single face, OK. I can generate the operation at this point, but the outcome is not exactly what I want. For one thing, the cut direction is in the wrong direction, and it doesn't machine the entire body. I'm also using zig cut instead of zigzag, so let's change a few of those things. I'll set my cut pattern to zigzag, and then I'll go into cutting parameters. On Specify Angle, I have a widget that I can use to control the cutting angle itself. I can rotate that to the angle I want, or I can type it in on the screen. Finally, I'll set Simplify Shapes to Convex Hull. As the image shows, that will force the CAM Express to cut across any openings in the geometry. Generate again. Still a few things I want to correct. One is I want to machine the entire top of the mold, not just that one face. And also I want a smooth transition from the zig to the zag passes instead of the square transfer. So, back to cutting parameters. I'll turn on Extend to Part Outline. As the image shows, Extend to Part Outline will force the cutting pattern to be displayed across the entire part, not just that single face. I'll also click on Corners tab and change Smoothing to All Passes. Choose OK. Generate the operation again. Verify the operation. And there we have it, a face milling operation without ever creating a single boundary.
Thanks for that tip showing how to save time constraining toolpaths. To learn more, go to siemens.com/solid edge or call your local Solid Edge channel partner.